Your videos will be seen by more people on TikTok if you have more admirers and follows. 1. Create a thorough profile. A profile that is comprehensive has a higher chance of gaining followers than one that is incomplete. Ensure that anything you post is reflected on your profile. People will follow you if they anticipate to see movies of cats when they glance at your profile and see photographs of cats. If you broadcast videos of skateboard stunts while maintaining a profile of cats, you'll probably lose fans and credibility. 2. Utilize hashtags wisely. Use precise hashtags, such as hashtag cat and hashtag cucumber, when posting a video that includes a cat and a cucumber. If you utilized hashtags appropriately, users who search for cats should be able to find your video. You may increase the likelihood that people will see your video by using hashtags effectively. When asked to add a description to your post, you have the choice to do so with hashtags. To begin tagging, tap hashtags. 3. Try to create unique videos. An unique TikTok video will stand out because so many users lip-sync to well-known tunes. However, avoid producing videos that are identical because that can become monotonous. A user of TikTok who creates unique and compelling material is more likely to attract followers than one who just posts generic information. Make sure to keep it interesting if you want to make lip-sync videos. You might take inspiration from well-known artists by looking at their work. To attract a more devoted audience, try to identify a specialty in which you can post material. 4. Select the proper music. Every TikTok video has the option to include a music clip, and selecting the appropriate music might influence whether or not the video is appreciated. Avoid using a depressing song if your video is humorous. 5. Post a video on YouTube at least once every day. If you are active on TikTok, your films have a greater chance of being seen and shared. Keep uploading, even if you aren't getting many views. An active TikTok account will appear more promising to fans than an account that only sometimes posts new content. 6. Engage in platform interaction. Participate in your video's remarks. Fans enjoy having conversations with their favorite content producers. Comment on other TikTok videos. If people see you interacting with other members of the community, they will probably visit your account page. To promote your own work, follow comparable TikTok users. The likelihood is that visitors to your profile page will be those who follow the person you follow. Play along with challenging videos. You have the option of participating in an ongoing challenge or starting your own. It's an additional method of getting your material seen by the TikTok community, which improves your chances of gaining a follower. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.